Hey everybody, welcome to an all new video with Matt. Today I'm going to show you how I made this cool Christmas ornament, Christmas tree decor for my wall, guys. So stick around, I'm going to show you how. Alright guys, to get started on today's project, you're going to need some Christmas ornament balls. I prefer just using leftover ones you don't want to use anymore. Some chicken wire, you'll need staples with a staple gun. You'll need a saw to cut boards with. You'll need tin snips and wire cutters. You need picture hanging wire. You'll need some screw-on L brackets. I use the 1-inch kind. You need a tape measure, a pen or pencil. You'll need an impact driver, some 1x2 lumber, and white paint and a brush. Alright guys, so first thing you need to do is go ahead and pattern out your Christmas ball ornaments into a tree shape, right? So the way I started mine is I started out with 1, then I went 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, and 7 as my final row, and then I used one of these different type of style right here to kind of represent like a little base of the tree right there, guys. So once you get your balls all like laid out, planned out, you can see like I had to start with smaller ones, work my way to the medium size, and then I got down to the large ones right here, right? So then you want to take your tape measure and you want to go about 2-3 inches past the top and measure down about 2 or 3 inches past the bottom right here, guys. So in my case, I bunched it up nice and tight. My measurements was 24 inches and a quarter, right? Your measurements might be different for this. So once you got your length, then you want to go ahead and make sure that your width is going to fit also, which I went ahead and measured. It will fit. So I'm going to cut out 4 slat boards right here, guys, at 24 and a quarter inches. As you can see, got these left over for some old cabinets that we ripped out at a job site, guys. So what I'm going to be doing is laying these down flat, just like that. We'll join our corners just like this using L brackets, guys. Alright guys, so once you got your frame put together, as you can see, I joined all 4 corners with the L brackets right there, guys. So once you do that, then you'll need to measure about right at this point right in here. I want to say it's about a 1/4 inch off. You don't want to go all the way to the sides and have the little sharp edges poking out or nothing. You want to kind of come about right here and just measure to about the same point. You want to measure this way and that way, and if it helps, you can just cut you out a nice little piece, lay the wire right on there, and just mark it out with a marker, guys. But anyways, go ahead and get your chicken wire cut to fit this frame right here, and then we'll go on ahead and staple it down with the staples, guys. So go ahead and get your chicken wire cut and get it stapled to the back side right here. Alright guys, as you can see, went ahead and got my piece stapled on there all the way around, got it pulled nice and tight. So now what you need to do is just flip it over, and it will be up to you guys if you want to paint it a certain color that you like best or whatever. And like I said, I'm repurposing this wood from an old cabinet that used to be painted white, as you can see, and I kind of like how it's already just painted, so I'm going to leave that alone. So now what we need to do is start here and measure from here to here, find around your center mark and start your first ornament at the top right there, guys, and then work your way down on your rows right there. So go ahead and start up at the top in the middle and get your ornaments attached nice and tightly together, guys. And you might need to get some wire twist or something to get your ornaments to stick. So we're going to try a few different little things, but I think with just the one that comes with, we'll be able to attach right to the chicken wire. So go ahead and start patterning out your tree now. Alright guys, there we have it. We've got all of our balls treed out and got the bottom piece put on right there. Had to cut down 1 row of the balls that I had. It was just too big to fit in this little space right here, guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to let me know down in the comments below if you make one, guys. Also hit that thumbs up and like button for me, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week ahead. Peace.